Oh. The size of the head from behind.
I took some other time. Trouble.
I like that they keep diving like. Yeah, these are the babies. So cool.
Like they just like rest his trunk on top of them.
I think I'm done.
Oh.
Are they fighting over a stick?
Yeah, my stick. I get it.
Free his mouth.
He's like, this is my stick.
I want to give him a toy. He's like, oh, you gotta suck something off his head. He's like, talk about licking your nose. That's kind of like, that must be their equivalent. Put the trunk behind their head. Oh, there's a deer down there.
Chasing the deer.
He is.
Oh! Get out of my house. Get out of my house.
Never heard him do that with their trunks. Trumpeting?
Oh, yeah, yeah. You can watch. They can actually run up that, like,
It's
Oh, he's going. He's like, hey.
It's fun to see him act like
and
that.
they've been doing this for
It's
years.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. There it is.
He's like, I'm
winning.
Oh my god.
That's the best. This is great.
Oh, look at that.
No.